Hi students, welcome to this new puzzle. So in the previous puzzle I have given this for you guys to solve but nobody has solved. So let us begin the puzzle number 42. The puzzle is find the next number. The series they have given is 1, 2, 4, 7, 11, 16 and then there is a question mark. So we need to find what is the answer for this question mark. So please watch this video till the end because I will be giving one new puzzle for you guys to solve. So let us begin the solution for this. As you can see, the difference between this 1 and 2 is 1, and the difference between this 2 and 4 is 2. Difference between 4 and 7 is 3. So similarly, so next difference is 4. The next difference is 5. Similarly, in order to find the value for this question mark, the difference will be 6. That means I need to add 6 to the 16. So 16 plus 6. If I do, the answer is 6 plus 6, it is 12. This 1 plus 1, it is 2. Therefore, the answer is 22. So answer for this puzzle is 22. So as I said in the beginning of the video, I'll be giving one puzzle for you guys. Let us see how many people we are going to solve this. So before giving the puzzle, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so that you won't miss any videos from our channel. So let us see the puzzle for you guys to solve. The puzzle is, this is the puzzle. As you can see, the puzzle is 2, 5, 11, 23, 47 and there is a question mark. So try to solve this puzzle and comment your answer in the comment section, and we will be solving this in the next video. So till then, keep watching. Thanks for watching.